Hello my dear students. After the completion of concentration term, we have some shortcuts or we can say some tricks, and with the help of these tricks we can solve some complex problem in which two concentration terms are involved. For example, suppose I have to calculate mole fraction for molality or molality to mole fraction, and similarly molality to molarity conversion or molarity to molality conversion. Correct? So one by one we will discuss. It is not irreversible, it is reversible. With the help of mole fraction we can calculate molarity as well, and similarly with the help of molarity we can calculate molality also. Correct? So first trick or jugaad, m equal to, m is nothing but it is small m, or it is also molality. Correct? So x solute divided by x solvent. What is this? These are mole fraction of solute as well mole fraction of solvent. Multiply by 1000 whole divided by molar mass of solvent. Correct? So here remember it is molar mass of solvent, not solute. So m equal to molality, x solute equal to mole fraction of solute, x solvent equal to mole fraction of solvent. Or further, don't go for the exact calculation. If you have mole fraction of solvent, you can calculate mole fraction of solute as well by minus 1, and same thing for x solute further. Correct? So we have a question. We have to calculate molality of solution in which mole fraction of NaOH is 0.25. That means, what is this? 0.25 is less than 0.5. It means it is solute. Correct? And next one is solvent. And which one is solvent? Water. If about solvent is no hint or nothing is mentioned regarding solvent, so at that time we will consider solvent as water. Solvent is nothing but here it is water. Correct? So x solute equal to, solute means which is minimum and or is in smaller quantity, and solvent is which is in maximum quantity or larger quantity. Correct? So we know x solute plus x solvent equal to 1. So that means if something is less than 0.5, it is solute, and something is more than 0.5, it is solvent. So in this case 0.25 is solute. That means mole fraction of NaOH is 0.25, it is mole fraction of solute. And further, when I will minus this 0.25 by 1, I will get mole fraction of solvent. That is what? That is water. Solute is, what is solute? It is NaOH. I also written that is mole fraction of NaOH. And 0.75, it is mole fraction of H2O. So by putting these value, that is 0.25 for mole fraction of solute and 0.75, that is mole fraction of solvent, how I calculated? Again I am repeating, one value of mole fraction is given, and that is for solute. So by minus 1, by subtracting this with 1, I will get mole fraction of solvent. Correct? And solvent, if not mentioned, it is 100%. Without any doubt, without any confusion, the solvent will be water. Correct? So x solvent means that is mole fraction of water, it is 0.75. Correct? I think doubt is clear. Now m equal to 0.25 x solute, 0.75 x solvent, 1000 and molar mass of solvent. Solvent is not NaOH. Solvent is water, and molar mass of water is how much? It is 18. So by putting this value, when I will solve it, I will get exact value of molality, that is 18.5 mole per kg. So it is very important when some examiner is asking mole fraction or molality and one term is given, then directly no need to go for complex calculation. By using this formula, this trick, you can solve within couple of minutes. Correct? So next trick is molality to molarity or molarity to molality, capital M to small m or small m to capital M. The jugaad is small m equal to 1000 into capital M, 1000 into D minus m into molar mass of solute. So capital M equal to molarity, as we know, small m equal to molality, D equal to density. So I took one problem from NCERT 1.8 and the solution is just in 3 steps. But when you will see NCERT pink problem, that is 1.8 from chapter 1, the solution contain approx half page. So it's very big calculation and also it is complex as well, correct? So how we can solve this question? The density of 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per ml. Calculate molality of the solution. So 3 molar is nothing but it is molarity. What is density? 1.25. So I can calculate small m, that is molality of the solution. Put the value. M is 3, 1000 into 3, divide by 1000 into 1.25 minus M, it is 3, and molar mass of solute, not solvent, molar mass of solute. Solute is NaCl. So it is 58.5. So when I will solve this, I will get small m equal to 2.80 mole per kg. So don't go for the solution of book because it is little complex. Directly using this shortcut or this formula, you can solve this such type of question within 2 or 3 minutes, not more than this, correct? So it's all about some shortcuts. Again we have 3 more shortcuts or 3 more tricks, and one by one we will discuss all. And till then I would like to thank you for watching this video, watching this concept. Thank you, thanks a lot.